In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to turn off auto-generated videos in Grok AI. If you've noticed Grok creating videos automatically from your prompts or results, and you prefer to keep things text-based, this walkthrough will help you switch that off in just a few moments. First, open your Grok account. You can do this in your browser or through the app, whatever you normally use. Make sure you're signed in so you have access to your personal settings. Once you're in, look over to the left side of the screen. You'll see the main navigation panel. Click the icon there to expand the sidebar if it isn't already open, so you can get to the options we need. Next, click on Settings. This is where Grok keeps your account preferences and feature controls. When the settings page loads, scroll down slowly. We're heading toward the section that manages media features related to visuals and video. Here's an important note. If you're not on a premium plan, the control for auto-generated videos may not be visible in your account. That's expected, and it doesn't mean anything is wrong. Grok limits some toggles to specific plan levels. If you are on a premium plan, you should see the section labeled Imagine as you scroll. Under the Imagine section, look for the toggle that controls auto-generated videos. It's a simple on-off switch. Click it to turn the feature off. When the toggle moves to the off position, Grok will stop producing videos automatically. There's no separate save button here. Your preference is applied immediately once you flip the switch. A few quick tips before we wrap up. If you're certain you're on a plan that includes this setting, but you still don't see it, try a quick refresh of the page, then check settings again. Interface labels can change over time, so if Imagine appears under a slightly different name, look for the media or visual section that mentions video generation. Also, remember that you can come back to this same spot anytime to turn the feature back on if you want Grok to create videos again for future projects. That's all it takes. Open your account, head to the left panel, click Settings, scroll down, and in the Imagine section, toggle the auto-generated videos off. Keeping your workspace set exactly the way you like it makes your workflow smoother and your results more predictable. Thanks for watching, and I hope this helps you tailor Grok to your preferences quickly and confidently.